Unveiling the Garden Secret: How to Deadhead the Blooms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a rather special phrase that marries the beauty of gardening with the richness of language. Deadhead the blooms. Whether you're a language learner, a gardening enthusiast, or both, this video will shed light on what this phrase means and how you can use it in both practical and metaphorical contexts. Let's get started. First, let's dissect deadhead the blooms. This phrase is a gardening term at its core. To deadhead means to remove dead or faded flowers from a plant. The reason gardeners do this is twofold. It helps the plant conserve energy that would otherwise go to seeds, and it encourages the plant to produce more flowers. The word blooms simply refers to the flowers on a plant. So, putting it all together, when you deadhead the blooms, you're taking away the spent flowers to promote more vigorous growth and a longer blooming period. Deadheading is not just about keeping your garden looking tidy. It's a crucial practice for the health and productivity of many flowering plants. By removing the old blooms, you signal the plant to focus its resources on creating new flowers rather than producing seeds. This practice can lead to more vibrant and plentiful blooms throughout the season. Some plants, like petunias, roses, and marigolds, greatly benefit from regular deadheading. It's a simple task, but it makes a significant difference in the garden's overall appearance and vitality. Interestingly, the phrase can also be used metaphorically to describe the process of removing unproductive or harmful elements from one's life, project, or work to foster growth and success. For example, a business might deadhead unprofitable products or services to focus on those that are more successful. In personal development, it might mean letting go of negative habits or relationships to make room for positive growth. This metaphorical use beautifully illustrates how language evolves and adapts, drawing vivid pictures that resonate with diverse experiences and fields. For those interested in the practical side of things, deadheading is simple but requires a bit of care. You'll need a pair of gloves and sharp scissors or pruners. Locate the spent bloom, and follow the stem down to the first set of healthy leaves. Make a clean cut just above those leaves. Be mindful not to harm the healthy parts of the plant. Regularly removing dead flowers will not only encourage more blooms but also prevent disease and pests from taking hold. We hope this exploration of deadheading the blooms has been enlightening and enjoyable. Whether you apply this knowledge to your garden or use it as a metaphor for personal growth, the concept of removing the old to make way for the new is universally valuable. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more insights into the beautiful intricacies of the English language. Until next time, happy learning and happy gardening.